Okay, good afternoon to all.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Welcome back, all of you. Is it visible, the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the
Yes, sir.
morning, tell me. Yes, any doubt? Yes, any
No,
doubt?
sir.
Okay. So in the morning, what we have done? We have considered there is one rectangle. Okay. Just I will draw that rectangle. आपको clarify होने के लिए. Okay. So this is one point, and again this is another point, and again this is one point. Okay. So this is another point. Correct. So over this one, so there is names. Okay. This is what A point. This is A point. This is D point. Correct. This is G point. This is E point. Correct, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is making an angle 60 degree. Okay. So I say to this is how much it is. This is 90 degree and this is 90 degrees already given. मेरा intention क्या है इसमें? I want to find out the value of EG. Okay. So here what I will do? I will draw a triangle. Okay. This is triangle. Okay. So here, so if this is equal to 60 degree, so inside how much it is? Another angle?
120.
120. Okay, this is will be 120. So if it is 120, this is 90, this is 92. This total A angle कितना रहता? 60 रहता. Correct. When you make bifurcate the triangle, so this will become 30 degree, and this will become another 30 degree. Correct. And
Yes, sir.
total कितना था इधर angle? 120 था. So when you bifurcate, this will become 60 degree. This will become 60 degree. Correct?
60 degree.
Okay. मेरा intention क्या है? I want to find out the value of EG. Okay. So EG find out करना है तो what I need to apply? So EG or AG? Okay. So that is AG either. Okay. Okay. EG is known. Correct. EG पता है ना आपको? No. EG I need to find out either. Okay. AG is known. What is the AG? AG मतलब क्या है? That is radius of the cylinder. Correct. That is radius of the cylinder. That is 250 ना? 250. Radius of the cylinder is 250.
हाँ, sir.
Okay. This is 250 is known. AG is known. 250. I want to find out EG. So how to find out? Applying tan 60. So this is tan 60. Tan 60 is equal to AG upon EG. AG upon EG. So that you will get the value of EG value. EG is equal to 144 आ गया. ये रेक्टेंगल समझ में आ गया ना सभी को? This is yes. बाकी लोगों को is it clear this rectangle?
Yes,
लोगों
sir.
को?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So मेरा intention I got the value of EG value. Once if you get the value of EG value, then you have to find out AM value. That is either say either AM value. Okay. So how to find out the AM value? You have to take total is 600 minus EG minus radius of the cylinder 2. Okay. Minus radius of the cylinder D. So that you will get the 255. Next, again from this triangle, I want value of AM. Sorry, AB. So AB is equal to R1 plus R2. You got. Next, I want theta. I know AB. I know AM. So applying cos theta. So cos theta apply किया तो you will get 55 degree. So आपको cross check करने के लिए you can calculate BM also. So how to find out BM? By applying Pythagoras theorem. BM is equal to square root of AB square minus AM square. So that you will get the value of BM. Next, you can apply tan theta, BM upon AM, so that you will get the theta same as that of this 55.37. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. So after finding the value of theta कितना गया? 55.37. Next is what I have to consider which one, which equilibrium of which cylinder? Cylinder A or B?
large.
Okay, larger cylinder or smaller cylinder?
छोटा वाला.
Chota wala. Okay, we have to consider smaller cylinder because this smaller cylinder is subjected to only 3 forces. One is RF, one is RC, and another is weight. Okay, so now we will consider that one. Okay, consider smaller cylinder. Consider FBD of FBD of smaller cylinder. Okay, FBD of smaller cylinder. Okay, so this is smaller cylinder. So what are the forces that are acting on this one? One is there is a horizontal force like this. Another one is weight of the cylinder acting downward direction, and there is a RC. Okay, RC. So all these are substance making. So this is RF vertical. This is weight of the cylinder. So this is weight. Okay, this is RC. This is RC. This RC is making an angle. How much it is? That is equal to theta. How much is theta? 53 point. How much it is?
55.37.
55.37.
Oh, okay. That is 55.37. It is equal to 55.37. So I can write this equation as this diagram. RC is going in this direction. So RC is going in this direction. Next, there is RF is going in the horizontal direction. RF is going in the horizontal direction. Next, weight is acting downward direction. Weight is acting downward direction. Okay. Next, we have to write the naming. So this is what? This is RC. This is RF. This is weight. What is the weight of the cylinder? Smaller cylinder. Is it given?
400.
Yes,
400.
400 is given in the problem. See, so what is this angle?
90.
90. This RC is making an angle theta with respect to horizontal. That is 55.37. So 55.37 only this one. I want total from here to here plus 90. Correct? 90 plus
Yes, sir.
55. That is
145.37.
37. Are you getting how you are getting 144.37? That is RC
Yes,
is
sir.
making theta with respect to horizontal. Theta कितना है? 55.37. Okay, 55.37 plus इधर का 90. That is 144.37. Then remaining angle 360 minus ये दोनों करने का कर दो.
Sir, 145.37.
145.87. Is it correct?
Sir, 87 नहीं
Theta.
आएगा sir.
Theta.
Theta 145.37.
125.
125.6.
125.63.
63.
एक मिनट कुछ प्रॉब्लम डाउट है क्या इधर 144.37 में दिस इज 90 प्लस
145.
एक मिनट 90 प्लस दिस 55.37 55 ओके ओके ये है ना 145 ये है ना
145.
यस यस वेरी गुड करेक्ट ऑब्जर्वेशन यस गुड करेक्ट पॉइंट दिस इज 145 इज करेक्ट ओके
सर तो फिर ऊपर 4 आएगा सर.
हाँ यस चेंज करो फिर यस दिस गुड ऑब्जर्वेशन ओके सो गलती हो जाएगा मेरे तरफ से भी होता है ओके यू हैव टू ऑब्जर्व वेरी कीन ऑब्जर्वेशन करने का कर दो
124.
124.63.
इज इट करेक्ट
Yes sir.
124.62
Yes, sir.
okay now you can apply what you will apply Lami's theorem apply Lami's theorem okay apply Lami's theorem now apply the Lami's theorem. Tell me what is Lami's theorem. So first one I will apply.
RC upon sine 145.37.
RF upon sine 145.37. This is equal to next RC upon sine 90 is equal to, okay, degrees, is equal to weight is 400 upon cosine
Sine 124.
124.63.
63. Okay. Now I want to find out RF and RC. Consider any two values. I will consider first and third term. Okay. Consider first and third term. Okay. So consider first RF upon sine 145.37 degree is equal to 400 upon sine 124.63. Okay, calculate the value of RF. Okay, next again you have to consider one more point, that is second and third term. So consider RC upon sine 90 is equal to 400 upon sine 124.63. Okay, so calculate RC.
RF is equal to
276.25.
So I want RC. RC is equal to, wait a minute. Tell me, RC is equal to, RF is equal to how much?
276.25.
Is it correct? Yes,
Yes, sir.
276.25 Newton. Okay, correct. RC. RF. Next RC.
486.12.
Yes, Newton. Okay, so these are the two answers. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so next, after a smaller cylinder, next what you have to consider? You have to go for larger cylinder. So what is that one? Next, consider equilibrium of larger cylinder, or it is cylinder A hai na? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Cylinder A. Okay, so in this cylinder, what are the forces which are acting? So this is larger cylinder. Okay, so this larger cylinder is subjected to how many number? What are the different forces? Okay, one is RC, correct? So this is RC. This is RC is acting. Next one is weight is acting downward.
RG.
Downward. Next again what is it is acting?
RG.
RG. RG that is from the
नीचे से.
that is from the support. Okay, base.
Ground.
Next there is one force
RD.
from the RD. Okay, this is RD. Correct? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I will do naming for this one. This is RC. Okay, this RC is how much it is? 486.12 Newton, and this is making an angle with respect to horizontal, that is equal to theta. Theta is 55.37 degrees. This is weight of the cylinder is how much? Larger cylinder,
900.
900 Newton. Then there is a reaction from the support, that is RG, correct? Then
Yes.
there is a RD, correct? So what is the angle made by the RD? What is the angle made by the RD?
60.
That is equal to 60. 60 or 30? 60 or 30?
हाँ सर 30 वो
फिर-
दूसरा 30 उसकी तरफ गया
Yes,
हाँ
this is 30. See, you are having a plane. Okay, so you are having the plane. Correct. Plane is making an angle how much? Plane is making an angle. This is making an angle. 60 degree. Correct. So then, what is your angle made by the reaction? Angle made by the reaction कितना रहता? Yes. What is the angle made by the reaction? That is equal to 30 degree, correct?
Yes.
Correct, no? Are you getting?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
don't commit mistakes. Okay. Next. After this one, I will re-rate this one. Okay. So weight is acting downward. So I will write the weight. Weight is acting downward. Okay. Next. RC is passing like this. Okay. So RC is passing. This is RC. Okay. Next. RD is passing in the first quadrant. RD is passing in the first quadrant. Next, RG is going upward direction. RG is going upward direction. Okay, I'll take this. RG is going in this direction. Is it clear, everyone? Correct, enough?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
I will draw a horizontal line. Okay. So next, I will write the angles. So this is what? This is RD. RD. RD is making an angle 30 degrees with
30.
respect to horizontal. Next, weight is acting downward. Weight is 900 Newton. Next, upward is RG. RG is upward. Next, this is RC. RC is equal to 486.12 Newton. And this is making an angle. How much it is? 55.
55 with horizontal.
55.37 with horizontal. Okay. Now, what is my intention? I have to find out what are the forces RD and RG. Okay. What are the equilibrium equations? What are the equilibrium equations now?
Sigma F.
Sigma fx and sigma fy.
Sigma F.
Okay.
Sigma fy.
So, which equation I need to apply? Sigma fx or sigma fy?
fx.
Fx.
Okay, right.
That you have to check it. Which equation I have to apply? See, sigma fx apply kiya to RD component will come. RG ka will not come. Okay. Then if you apply sigma fy, then RD ka y component it will come. And again there is a one more component of RG. So which is better? Sigma fx or sigma fy?
Sigma fx.
Same.
So apply. I will write here. Okay. Apply. Then equilibrium conditions. Okay. So that is sigma fx is equal to 0. Okay. Apply sigma fx is equal to. Is it moving right hand side or left hand side?
Right.
Right hand side. What is sigma fx
Right hand
of this
side.
component? Fx of this component.
Cos 30.
Okay.
RD cos 30.
RD cos theta. Then Fy of this component is this is RD sin theta. Okay. So sigma RD cos theta, that is equal to RD cos. What is the theta value? 30 degree. 30 degree. Then this RG, is it producing any horizontal component?
No, sir.
No.
No.
No, sir.
Next, this force, okay, RC force. It is in which quadrant? Third quadrant. Fx component. Minus.
Minus
Ah.
486
Which is cos 55.
Cos 55.37.
55.37.
37.
Okay, is equal to 0. Calculate the value of RD. Next, after calculating the RD value, so apply sigma Fy is equal to 0. Can you tell me what is the value of RD?
Uh, 318.90.
318 or 316?
318.
Yes. Others check.
$318.98.
318. 486.12 cos 55.6. 55.67 or 37 it is?
37.
37, na? Correct, hai na? Okay. Okay. Maybe मेरा गलती है. 318. Okay. 318. Is it correct? 318 point?
Yes, sir.
318.56. Is it correct?
9.
9. Okay. So this is from. Tell me. 318.9. Yes, tell me. 318.9.
9.
Okay, 9 Newton. Okay, so this is the RD value. After finding the sigma fx, that is RD, then what I have to find out? I will go with the sigma fy. Fy is equal to 0. Okay, so in the sigma fy, y component of the RD, that is
RD sine 30.
RD sine
30.
30 degree, upward direction positive. Then again plus RG, plus RG. Next, this 486, it is moving in downward direction, minus 486.12.
Sine.
There is a sign. Okay.
Sine.
Okay, I will write it. I will write here. Okay. Minus 486.12 sine of 55.37. Okay, again there is a downward 9 means 900 Newton is equal to 0. So here you know the value of RD. RD you have calculated. So substitute RD. RD is equal to how much? 318. Okay, substitute this value 318.98 and calculate the value of this is RG. RG. So calculate the value of RG, all of you.
Nine eight 1.01.
All of you check it. 981.
1140.50.
Yes, correct. One,
Yes.
one,
Yes,
four,
sir.
114.43.
11
Just tell me.
1140.50.
Yes, okay. Newton. Is it? It's correct answer. 1140.50 Newton. Okay. So check it, all of you. So from the first cylinder, I got the value of RF and RC, two unknowns. Okay. From the second cylinder, that is bigger cylinder, I got two unknowns, that is RD and RG. Okay. So finally you have to write the answers. RF, RC, RD, RG. Okay. That is RF is equal to RC is equal to RG is equal to then RD. RG, RD. Yes, RD. RD is equal to. Okay. You have to write all these answers. Okay. These are the answers. Okay. Is it clear, everyone? Yes. Sablu, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Take it down. All of you write down this solution.
सर अगर कैलकुलेटर आपको कौन से दुकान में मिलेगा वो पता हो तो बता दो ना सर, क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ के लोग कह रहे सभी कि हम ऐसे ही मतलब हम उसे ऐसे नहीं मंगाते, हमें ऑर्डर देना पड़ता है और अभी कोई लेता भी नहीं।
हाँ हाँ, वो बुक स्टॉल में मिलता है आपको। अगर
उन्होंने कहा सर,
हाँ हाँ, उन्होंने कहा ना।
उन
सो बेटर आप ऑनलाइन पे भी ले सकते, ऑनलाइन से भी। ओके, नहीं तो दुकान वाले को चाहिए तो सोलापुर में मिलेगा। ओके, इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज का वो मटेरियल वगैरह मिलते हैं ना, उधर जाके उनको बोलने का।
ओके सर।
ओके, बड़े बड़े दुकान रहते ना, मतलब बुक स्टॉल। ओके, वो बुक स्टॉल में ये रहने का क्या, इंजीनियरिंग बुक्स वगैरह सेल करते हैं, देखो इंजीनियरिंग
हाँ
बुक्स।
सर हाँ।
हाँ, वो ऐसे दुकान में मिलेगा, क्योंकि इंजीनियरिंग बुक्स सेल करते मतलब उनके पास वो ऐसे कैलकुलेटर रहते हैं। वो ड्राफ्टर भी बेचते हैं वो। ओके, वो डिप्लोमा स्टूडेंट्स ड्राफ्टर लेके जाते हैं ना, स्टूडेंट सिविल स्टूडेंट्स, वो भी रहते हैं। ड्राफ्टर, नेक्स्ट कंपास, नेक्स्ट कैलकुलेटर, साइंटिफिक कैलकुलेटर। ये नॉर्मल बुक स्टॉल में नहीं मिलेगा, क्योंकि वो हाई स्कूल स्कूल कॉलेजेस ऐसे रहते हैं ना, उनके पास नहीं मिलेगा, क्योंकि दिस साइंटिफिक कैलकुलेटर इज यूज्ड बाय ओनली इंजीनियर्स। ओके, आपको बड़े इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में जो बुक सेंटर में मिलेगा। तो सोलापुर में शायद मिलेगा आपको। if you are nearby Solapur, you can buy it. Okay, in Pandharpur also it may available. I don't know exactly. Okay, you can
ओके
get
सर,
it.
थैंक यू।
Is it finished?
Yes, sir.
Everyone.
No,
No.
sir.
Okay. Okay. So in the problem, he has given weight of the cylinder A and cylinder B. In the problem, he has given. Okay, I might have not given dictate नहीं किया होगा शायद. Okay, but in the problem he has given. Without the weight of the cylinder, we cannot solve. Okay, in the problem statement उन्होंने दिया था. Okay, weight of the cylinder A is 900 Newton and weight of the cylinder B is 400 Newton. ऐसे दिया था. Clear, Santoshi? Yes. Okay. Is it over, everyone?
हो गया सर।
Yes, sir.
Bakilo, everyone. Can I go for next problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So take down next problem. So now the problem number
9.
okay, 9. So, now, all of it down. Two spheres of diameter 180 mm and 60 mm rests on three planes on three planes as shown in figure. As shown in figure. As shown in figure. The weight of bigger sphere. The weight of bigger sphere is 60 Newton, and that of smaller one 30 Newton. Determine normal reactions. Normal reactions between spheres. Okay. So figure is given in the problem. You have to find the normal reaction. Okay. This is one. So first cylinder is having So first cylinder is having 180 mm diameter. Next, second cylinder is having 60 mm diameter. So it means you consider this is the center of the cylinder. This is the center of the cylinder. Okay. Then this is given. This is given. So first one is 180 mm diameter. Okay. Iska diameter 180 mm. Okay, then can you tell me what is the distance between these two? Can you tell me? This from this to this total diameter is 180 mm. Only half of the diameter. Radius is kitna rahega? That is equal to 90 mm.
90.
90
90
mm.
mm. So smaller sphere is having 60 mm diameter. Then can you tell me what is this much?
30 mm.
That is 30 mm.
Yeah.
30 mm. In the problem he has given, and total is given. Total is 210. So total he has given 210.
140.
Yes. So total he has given from this point to this point. It is 210. 210 mm. So 210 में हुआ तो so can you find out this distance? 210 divided by minus 90 minus 30. That is equal to 90. This is equal to 90 mm. Okay. So I will take the notation. This is A cylinder. This is B cylinder. So what is I know my intention, what I need to find out, what I have to find out, tell me. So I will go step by step. So first cylinder में क्या क्या find out करने का? I will denote this is A, this is B. Okay. So you can take. I will take this side is it is D point. Okay, D. I will take this point is E point. Okay, I will take this point is F point. F. Okay. My intention is I have to find out the normal reaction. So this is normal reaction RD. Next there is a RE. Next there is a RF. Then in between these two there is a C point. Okay, C point in between the two surfaces. Okay. So how to solve this one? So again, what is my intention? First step क्या करने का?
Normal
Yes, normal, and that is in between the two surfaces. So this is okay AB, correct? So next, so in this AB, next again I will draw a perpendicular line. Okay, again I will join these two. There is a triangle. The angle made by the RC force. So this is my intention is okay. This is theta. Okay, first and foremost is I have to find out the theta value. How to find out this theta value? Okay, so here this is surface. Okay, this is the plane. Okay, this entire it is plane one. This is surface. So here I will take this is a point M. Okay, so I should know BM, I should know AM, I should know AB. So how to find out this one? Do you know how to find out the AB? Correct, AB. Cylinder of radius of first RA and radius of RB. Correct. Radius of larger cylinder.
Yes, sir.
The radius of the smaller cylinder is equal to AB. Correct, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you know the value of AM? Yes. In the from the figure, total he has given 210 only. Okay. So from this 210, you know this is okay. That is radius of the first cylinder. That is 90. Radius of the second cylinder. That is 30. So you can calculate AM. That is equal to 90. Once if you know the value of AB and AM, can you calculate the value of theta? Yes. That is by
Yes, sir.
cos theta. Okay. So now you can write to find what I need to find out. RC value I need to find out. Next RD value I have to find out. Next RE value I have to find out. Next RF value. RF value I have to find out. Okay. All these points I have to find out. Next. So step by step we will solve. Tell me. So first how to find out the theta value. So from the triangle, tell me A, B, M.
M.
A, B, M. Okay, from the triangle A, B, M, AB is equal to R1 plus R2. That is radius of first cylinder plus radius of second cylinder. Radius of first cylinder is equal to 90 mm plus radius of second cylinder is equal to 30 mm. Okay, that is equal to AB is equal to 120 mm.
120 mm.
Okay. Next, I have to find out AM. AM is equal to total is given 210. Correct na? Total is given 210
Yes,
minus R1 minus R2. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
210
Yes, sir.
minus R1 is 90 minus R2 is 30. Yes. What is the value of AM? What is the value of AM?
90.
90 mm.
90.
Okay. So now I got the value of AM and I got the value of EB. Okay. बस हमको थीटा फाइंड आउट करने का BM कैलकुलेट करने का जरूरत नहीं. Okay. Just we will calculate theta directly. Okay, so calculate theta. So cos theta is equal to AM upon AB. So what is the value of AM? AM is equal to 90. What is the value of BM? 120. AB. So
41.40.
41.40.
40.
Okay, so this is the value of your theta value. So once if you calculate the theta value, then rest is easy. Correct na? Is it clear everyone how to find out the theta value?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So देखो ऑब्जर्व करो, मैंने almost 5 problems लिया. So all the 5 problems, first intention is I have to take the theta value. What is that theta? That is the reaction between the two spheres, two objects. Okay, the angle made by the reaction between two cylinders. Okay, that is my intention first. वो एक बार find out किया तो next step is applying Lami's theorem to the smaller to the one any one of the cylinder which is subject to lesser number of forces. Correct? Okay, now cylinder A and cylinder B. So which one will you consider first? A में देखो कितना फोर्सेस है, RF एक फोर्स है, RE एक फोर्स है, RC एक फोर्स है, वेट है, 4 forces है. So I cannot take this one first. So next move to the smaller cylinder. There is RD, there is RC, weight of the cylinder. Weight of the cylinder is given. Okay, we can find out this one. So consider equilibrium of cylinder B. Okay, next draw the equilibrium, and this is cylinder B. Okay, what are the forces which are acting on this cylinder? Yes, now tell me. There is a reaction RC in between, correct? RC, and there is a reaction RD, horizontal direction. There is a weight which is acting downward direction. Are you correct?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
correct? Okay, RC, this is RD, this is weight. Okay, so this RC is making an angle how much with respect to horizontal? That is equal to theta. Okay, theta 41.40. 41.40. Next, I will rewrite this one. Okay, same equation. So that is by taking weight is acting downward. Okay, RD is acting in the horizontal direction. Okay, next RC is acting in the first quadrant. Next, so this is RC. Can you tell me the angle made by the RC, this total angle? RC with respect to horizontal it is 41. With respect to vertical, that is 90 plus 41. That is 131.40. Correct? Is it?
Yes, sir.
Next, with this is RD. Okay, RD with respect to vertical, this is 90 degree. Next, this is weight. What is the weight of the smaller cylinder? That is 30 Newton is given. 30 Newton is given. Correct. Next, so I will take apply. Yes, Lami's theorem. Okay.
और
So
एक
apply.
फोर्स और है क्या ना?
कौन सा? Yes, this another angle. Yes, this angle है ना? Tell me, what calculate angle? What is this angle? Remaining angle. Total 360 minus 90 minus 131.40. What is this angle? Calculate.
Sir, 339.6.
339 कैसे आएगा?
I'm sorry.
33 point. No, check it.
138.6.
138.60.
139, sir.
60.
139.
No, 138.60. Correct.
138.6.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay,
138.
138.
Okay. Next, apply Lami's theorem. Yes. Apply Lami's theorem. Consider RD upon sine. Tell me, sine
Sin 131.
0.40. Okay. RD का opposite क्या है? Sin 131 है. Next, RC. Okay. This is equal to RC upon sin 90.
Sin 90.
Next, weight is 30 Newton divided by sine of 138.60. Okay. Consider any two terms. So that is I will consider first two terms, first and third term. Consider RD upon sine 131.40. This is equal to 30 upon sine 138.60. Yes, calculate the value of RD.
34.01.
34.02.
2.
RD. That's 34.02. Okay, correct. 34.02 Newton. Okay. Next, consider second and third term. That is RC divided by sine of 90 is equal to 30 divided by sine of 138.60. So calculate the value of RC.
45.36.
Yes, 45.36 Newton. Only few students are active. Remaining students, are you there in the class or no?
Yes, sir.
All of you have to calculate. Okay. See, this is RD and RC. I have calculated. So once you know RD and RC, next step is what? Next, I have to consider equilibrium of. Yes, equilibrium of.
Equilibrium condition.
Equilibrium of next larger cylinder. Okay. So equilibrium of, consider equilibrium of larger cylinder A, I know, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now this, consider this is larger cylinder. Okay, what are the forces which are acting on this cylinder? Yes, now one force is RC is acting, and another force is
RE.
So
नीचे से. हाँ.
This is RE, correct? RE. Next, there is one horizontal, correct? RF. Again, there is a weight. Weight is acting down. Is it correct? All?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Next, this is what? This is RC. RC is making an angle with respect to horizontal. How much it is? How much it is? 41.40, no?
नहीं sir, 45.36.
45.36.
45.36.
Okay. 45 आ गया क्या?
Yes,
90
sir.
by 120. 41.4 है ना RC का? कितना है? 41.4.
आपने वो थीटा है सर, RC लास्ट को है.
माइनस थीटा वैल्यू 41.4. थीटा वैल्यू 41.40. Okay, degrees. RC is how much? RC is
45.36.
45.36. Okay, Newton. Next, weight of the larger cylinder is how much? 60 Newton.
Yes.
60 Newton. Next, this is RF. Next, this is RE.
RE.
RE. Next, coming to the figure. So this sphere is making an angle 45. In the problem he has given directly. Okay, this angle is 45 there. Then if this is a 45, then according to the definition, okay. So can you tell me what is the angle made by this reaction? Normal reaction.
Vertical.
Okay. इसका कितना रहता? So what is this angle?
Same उतना ही sir.
Same. Okay, 45 रहता. Because this plus this दोनों मिलके कितना होने का? 90 होने का. If this is a 45, this is equal to 45. Okay. Then so this is making an angle 45 with respect to horizontal. Okay. All the angles you know now you can apply. So that is first one is RF is moving horizontal direction. Weight is acting downward direction. Weight is acting downward direction. RC is moving in this direction. RC is moving in this direction. Next, RE is moving in the second quadrant. RE is moving in the second quadrant. Okay. So what is this one? This is RF. This is weight is acting 60 Newton downward. This RC is 45.36 Newton with respect to horizontal. Okay. This angle is 41.40. Okay. So this is with respect to this is horizontal. So this is making an angle 45 degree. 45 degree. So this is RE. Okay, RE. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Next, apply
Lamb's theorem.
Lamb's theorem. Will you apply?
No, no,
No, yes, sir. Equilibrium
Equilibrium condition. Equilibrium
B के लिए
condition.
A के लिए
Okay. Which one equilibrium condition will you take? Whether we will take sigma fx or sigma fy. See, sigma fx लिया तो RF component will come and RE component will come. There are two unknowns हो जाता. So consider first
FY.
sigma fy. Zero. Okay. Then you take sigma fy. So RF will not come. So a y component of RE, that is equal to RE sin 45. Okay, moving upward direction. Okay, positive. Next, this 45.36 moving downward direction. Minus 45.36 sin 41.40. Okay. Next, again there is a weight is acting downward direction, 16 Newton. That is equal to 0. So calculate the value of RE. Calculate.
$29.28.
No. Check it. See here.
31.86.
No. See, science is 60 plus this. दोनों याद करने का डिवाइड बाय sin 45 करने का.
114.8.
No. Check it. Yes, I am expecting correct answer.
102.42.
102.
114.
Yes.
114.84.
Yes. No. 127 is correct answer. Yes. 127.27. Yes. 27. See, there are 20 students. At least they are giving answers. They are trying. I am happy. Others, you have to do calculation. Okay. गलती हो सकती है. Don't worry. Okay. So you will learn. Okay. After committing mistakes. Okay.
सर
हाँ.
मोबाइल के कैलकुलेटर में इनवर्स कैसे ले सर या फिर वो साइन इनवर्स का वो लोगो चलता है
हाँ, साइन इनवर्स ये करने का शिफ्ट एंड कॉस करने का.
ओके सर
शिफ्ट एंड कॉस रहता है. देखो उधर शिफ्ट फर्स्ट पे प्रेस करने का बाद में कॉस करेंगे सो दैट इट विल शो कॉस इनवर्स हो जाता है. ओके, दिस इज करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट इज सिग्मा fx. ओके, सो अप्लाई सिग्मा fx. Apply sigma fx. Okay. Sigma fx is equal to 0. Yes, sigma fx कंसीडर किया तो क्या होता? RF is moving positive direction. Then RE is moving negative direction minus. This is RE. Cos 45 degree. Next 45 is moving in negative direction. Minus 45.36 cos 41.40. Okay, this 60 will not produce horizontal, that is equal to 0. Then substitute RF I want to find out. Okay, so I'll transfer this to the right hand side. RE value is 127.27 cos 45. Next plus 45.36 cos 41.40. Okay, so calculate the value of RF.
123.82.
123. Okay, small mistake. Small.
124.0.
Yes, correct. 124. 124 is correct answer. Okay, I got 124.1. 1 or 01. Okay.
124.01.
Okay, 01 or 1. Okay, no problem. I want 124 is correct answer. Okay, from this we got, so cylinder A is given, cylinder B is given. I have calculated RC. Okay, I have calculated RD. I have calculated RE. I have calculated RF. Okay, these are the answers. Okay, these are the answers. Okay, RC is how much it is? That is 45.36. 45.36 Newton. Next RD. RD you have calculated
34.02.
34.02.
34 sir, 34.
34. Okay. Okay. 34.02 Newton. Then you have calculated RE. RE is 127.27
27.
Newton. Next RF is 124.01
124.01.
Newton. Okay, these are the answers. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Take down. Take down. Yesterday I thought your class unit test will start from 4 to 5. ऐसे सोच के मैंने क्लास जल्दी छोड़ा था. Actually, your IT unit test will start at 5 o'clock, na?
5
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, which unit test is there today?
Engineering mechanics.
Engineering mechanics.
You are
Engineering
remembering my subject.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
आप ही का है.
You are remembering my subject. Okay. Finish it soon. Ready हो गए ना एग्जाम को? Study हो गया?
हो गया सर.
Okay. Check attendance. Okay. $13, $16, $19, $41, $44, $57, okay. Absent numbers 13, 16, 19, 41, 44, 57.
Sir, 41 present here.
57 is present.
41 is present.
57.
Okay.
Yes sir.
57 is present. Okay. Absent numbers 13, 16, 19, 44. Okay. $41 is present. Okay. So in this unit test, it is simple one. Okay. No, I have taken only few problems. Okay, 1 or 2 problems. But you have to study MCQ booklet. Okay.
Sir 44 present है sir. Last
44
में है. हाँ last में.
Present है क्या? Who is that? अजमेर. है ना?
नहीं वो प्रतीक्षा शिंदे.
फिर क्यों नहीं बोलते? मैंने एब्सेंट नंबर बोले तो एटलीस्ट अनम्यूट करके बोलना चाहिए ना. यस, रोल नंबर 44. यस, अनम्यूट एंड टेल मी. आर यू देयर? सी, देखो.
उसने आपका आवाज म्यूट किया है.
44 है.
वो म्यूट है मतलब माइक नहीं कनेक्ट उसके मोबाइल को.
Then how she will listen everything? मेरा क्लास कैसे समझ में आएगा उनको?
ईयरफोन होगा.
हाँ, प्रतीक्षा शिंदे. Can you hear me? Aishwarya, roll number 8. How will you connect? Roll number 8, Aishwarya.
सर वो सिग्नल की प्रॉब्लम की वजह से वैसा हो रहा है।
ठीक है 44 है 44 है ठीक will take okay option number 13 16 19 हो गए ना इस स्लाइड everyone
No, sir. No,
everyone
no.
no you can take the screenshot because I have to do some other work. Take the screenshot of both the slide. Take this screenshot and complete it afterwards. Okay, I will wind up now. Have you taken? All of you take these two screenshots.
Yes, sir.
Take these two screenshot. Okay, I will finish it now. So you can write it by your own. Okay. Can I stop?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So
Sir.
we'll continue remaining things in the next class. Okay. Okay. Thank you all of you.